Hey guys, I'm Levi Gates. This is Anthony Fisher. We are the Rag Company doing some lists.
Number 1, rinseless washing is safer than soap and water. Soap and water is an antique technology. It's been around for way too long. Rinseless washing, much safer because of the lubrication, because of the zwitterionic nature.
Yes.
Lifting the dirt off the surface, because of the encapsulation. The polymers take the dirt away, making them much easier to take off the vehicle without just pushing them around.
Yeah, and when you use it with a nice microfiber towel, which I think I know where you can get.
I know a guy.
I know a guy that knows a guy. When you use it with a nice microfiber towel, mitt, or even the big red sponge, it is a perfect combination for a clean car.
And it's fun.
Exactly, and more efficient.
Yeah. Number 2, guys, you can still rinse the car. That's a thing, you can do that. If you've taken the car mudding or the car is extremely dirty, feel free to rinse it with a hose. Feel free to spray it down with a pressure washer. It's kind of common sense at that, but then do the O&R wash. What rinseless means is that you're not rinsing at the end. You're leaving the O&R on the surface as lubrication as you dry the car.
Yeah.
For protection.
For protection, yeah.
Safety.
Well, one thing I like to do is I'll actually take my car to the car wash, use the pressure washer to pressure wash everything, and I have myself a nice bucket of O&R ready to go.
Ooh.
I turn the car wash off, and then I proceed to wash my car with O&R, and then I just dry it, and I'm done.
One bucket, efficient.
One bucket, efficient, easy, car looks great.
And safe.
And it's safe.
So yeah, guys, just because it says rinseless doesn't mean you can't rinse it to begin with. It's just common sense. Use your head, but just remember you don't have to rinse it at the end.
You pre-rinse, you don't post-rinse.
True.
Number 3, it's a polymer, not a soap,
Yeah.
which means it doesn't leave any residue.
Yep.
It dries clean.
Yeah.
It looks good. There's no suds.
Yeah.
And the best part is because it's a polymer, you can use it anywhere else, like the interior on the plastics, leather, and vinyl. You can use it to clean your windows.
Oh,
Yeah,
definitely.
You can put it in your carpet extractor. You can put it in your steamer.
Yep.
It actually helps your steamer run better.
Yeah.
It's amazing stuff. And it's actually a really great water softener because
Absolutely.
when you're washing with O&R, you can literally leave it on the surface and you're not gonna hurt anything.
No.
Yeah.
All it's gonna leave is these polymer spots.
That wipe right off.
So if you got to polish afterwards or you need to clay a car or anything like that, you can mix it up to become a clay lube.
Yeah.
You know, you can't, it's hard because like car wash soap, you can't really use it on the interior surfaces of the car.
you
You
shouldn't.
can't really clean windows with it.
No.
You can't really shampoo your carpets with it.
Yeah.
And
you
you
know.
can't put it in your steamer.
And you can't put it in your steamer. So
Yeah.
O&R has a lot of great uses because it's a polymer and not a soap.
And to Levi's point, it smells great.
It smells
It does.
amazing.
It smells really
Yeah.
good. Number 4, the car doesn't have to be clean to use a rinseless wash. Dane, hyper-focus on my face. There's a huge misconception out there where people think that they can't use O&R or rinseless wash on a car that is dirty, right? They think that they can only use it on light dust or if the car is already clean. When in fact, you can use it on a dirty car. It just comes down to using common sense. If the car is muddy, pre-spray it with a hose, pre-spray it with a pressure washer, and then if the car is lightly dirty or still dirty, you can still pre-spray
With O&R.
with O&R.
Yeah, put it in a spray bottle,
Yeah.
put it in a multi-sprayer, put it in a pump sprayer. You can do all kinds of stuff with
And
it.
when you do that, it's encapsulating the dirt. It's lifting it off the surface with the zwitterionic nature.
Yeah.
And it's emulsifying the dirt before you even touch the vehicle.
working
Think about
before
it.
you work.
Think about it. You're taking your pressure washer, 2,000 PSI, it's pushing that dirt around. It's scratching the car when you're doing that. If you pre-spray with the O&R, it's already providing that lubrication, that safety, that cushion. So that dirt that you're pushing around with your 2,000 PSI pressure washer, it's not scratching your car.
Absolutely. And you can wash inside your garage, you can wash.
You can do it in the middle of winter. You can
Winter,
use
yeah.
warm water with O&R. You can still effectively clean your car in all seasons of the year in your garage with very little water.
In all climates.
It's awesome.
Number 5, it's modern technology for your modern paint. Just like you wouldn't take a steel rod, throw it in your front bumper, and crank over your engine. No, you sit in your car, you press a button to start it. Same thing. Don't wash your car with an antique technology like soap and water. Use a modern polymer to wash your modern paints.
Yeah. And with all the advent of the surfaces, the coatings, all that kind of stuff that people are using nowadays, it makes sense to use a safer version to wash.
Exactly.
Just like you're not putting your new 4K Ultra HD DVD player and hooking it up to your 13-inch black and white television. No.
Why not?
That you got a nice big TV that you go buy, because that's the way technology works. And one of the cool things is Dr. G has a doctorate in organic chemistry, and before that,
He worked developing clear coats. So of course, it's clear coat safe. That's what it's made
the man who
for.
developed clear coats developed this wash technology to protect your clear coat.
Again, in conclusion, it's science. We can all conclude that.
Yeah,
It's
Dr.
science.
G is really smart.
He's a smart guy. He's smarter than all of us combined. He's like a superhero. He knows his stuff. A superhero for clear coat, if you can imagine that. So anyways, guys, hopefully this video was helpful and taught you something about O&R rinseless wash. If you guys like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below.
Yep.
Let us know your thoughts. You can subscribe for more. And again, share with people that need to know about rinseless wash. Share it for the haters. Share it for the friends, the family.
the lovers.
The lovers.
The lovers of
Everyone.
O&R.
Just share it everywhere.
Share it everywhere.
Just give it to everybody.
But anyways, guys, don't forget to stay tuned for more videos right here at the Rag Company.